I'm glad to present you the Embedded Vision Starterkit. The Embedded Vision Starterkit offers a great opportunity to enter the world of embedded vision. My name is Felix Podhorski and I work as an application engineer in the technical support. Today I want to show you the most important functions of the Embedded Vision Starterkit. The kit consists of a camera from Allied Vision of the LVM series and some live demonstrations based on Helken. All those applications run on the NVIDIA Jetson Nano board. To guarantee a quick start, we pre-installed all the drivers and the Helken library. All those applications are developed to run with this triangle here. At first, you have the setup step. As soon as you have adjusted the lens with the setup step, you can directly go into the vision applications. The vision applications are matching, bar and data code reading, pose estimation, and deep learning based classification. Let's have a closer look at some of those specific applications. Both pose estimation and matching are based on the same principle, namely planar deformable matching. This is a matching algorithm which you can use for track objects and images. The next interesting point is deep learning based classification. This is a classification network which decides between the front side and the back side of the triangle. When there's no triangle in the image, we say that it's background as a third class. For our visualization, we used here the GradCam based heat map, which is a nice way to see how the network comes to its decision. Embedded vision offers all the possibilities of image processing, even deep learning. Where traditional PCs haven't been an option, now you can think about an embedded board. It just uses friction of the power and is so small that you can install it in inaccessible places. So don't hesitate to try out Helken Embedded Vision. Thank you for watching.